If you're planning a professional future-proof CCTV setup and you want a system that is fast, reliable, private, and completely local first with no monthly fees, then this question becomes extremely important. UniFi or Synology, which surveillance system actually makes more sense in 2025? Today, I'll break down both systems in real-world performance, storage, security, AI features, camera quality, scalability, and long-term value, but in a simple, brutally honest way. Let's start with the hook. UniFi is a tightly integrated ecosystem where the cameras, NVR, networking, and software are all designed to work together seamlessly, kind of like the Apple of CCTV. On the other side, Synology is like a powerful workstation that gives you flexibility, open compatibility, RAID protection, multi-drive storage, and the ability to connect cameras from almost any brand. UniFi Protect shines in ease of use. Setup is unbelievably simple. The UI is beautiful. Remote access works instantly without any router configuration. Firmware updates are automatic, and the system feels extremely smooth. You get a strong lineup of cameras: 2K, 4K, PTZ, panoramic, doorbell cams, all optimized for the Protect platform. But Synology Surveillance Station plays a very different game. Here, your NAS becomes your NVR, giving you massive storage options, upgradable capacity, multi-drive redundancy, remote backups, continuous health monitoring, and the freedom to attach cameras from Hikvision, Dahua, Realink, UniView, or any ONVIF-supported brand. UniFi only works with UniFi cameras, while Synology supports hundreds of brands. In terms of AI, UniFi offers polished and well-integrated smart detections like person detection, vehicle alerts, package detection, and more, all built natively. Synology's AI depends on the camera you use, meaning you get better or worse results depending on the brand selected. Performance-wise, UniFi is better for people who want clean, fast, modern software with minimal complexity, while Synology is ideal for power users who need large storage, RAID protection, multi-site control, advanced recording schedules, and long-term data safety. UniFi is simpler but closed. Synology is flexible but slightly more technical. Pricing also shows a clear difference. UniFi Protect is a one-time purchase. No licenses, no subscription fees. Synology Surveillance Station gives you only to free camera licenses, and after that, every additional camera requires a paid license, which can add up in bigger installations. For small systems to 4 cameras, Synology's cost is fine, but for 8, 12, or 20 cameras, UniFi becomes far more affordable. Another key point, UniFi Protect is designed for speed. Everything loads instantly, playback is smooth, scrubbing is fast, and the mobile app is extremely responsive. Synology focuses more on data reliability, RAID rebuilds, storage expansion, snapshot protection, and full local control without depending on a proprietary ecosystem. So which one makes more sense? If you want a plug-and-play, modern, clean, zero maintenance, and highly polished system for home or small business, UniFi Protect is the better choice. But if you want huge storage, full camera brand freedom, RAID safety, enterprise-level backup options, and complete long-term reliability, Synology Surveillance Station is the smarter investment. In simple words, UniFi is perfect for users who want simplicity, stability, and a premium unified ecosystem. Synology is perfect for those who want control, power, and expandable local first video storage. Drop a comment telling me which system you would choose. I'd love to know. And if you want a comparison of UniFi cameras versus Realink versus Hikvision AI cameras, tell me below.